we see how many people watch these episodes and don't comment or don't like or aren't subscribed, especially not subscribed. A large amount. Come on, guys, help us out. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm Phil, your host. This is Initialspeed. We are going to remove the housings and replace the bulbs. I've got some new clean that aren't cracked. Make the car a little bit nicer too. Alright, let's get into it. Not sure if you'll be able to see, but you've got to remove this bracket, and then this is the actual clip. This housing is, there you go, you spin it that way, the bulb comes out. But my problem is, see those screws there, or nuts there and over there? They're so rusted that I can't get a tool on. I've tried a vice grip and it just doesn't grab. Same thing on the other side. The other side, yes, this housing here, a little bit of protection, but the same thing with the nuts. They're so rusted that I can't get a tool on, and even when I get the vice grip on, it does not hold very well. Time to break out the Dremel and grind off those nuts. So the Dremel wasn't doing so great, so I've upgraded. Okay, so one out. Ooh, that's hot. Duh. Even though I have my glasses on, I still have stuff in my eyes. So I'm gonna stop here, come back, wash my eyes out, and come back. Okay, well, second one's out. Nice crack in it. Let's get the new housings, get them in. New freshness. Ooh. I'm gonna screw these bad boys off. There you go. How's that look? I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to put some anti-seize on these in the event that I need to change them again somewhere down the road. Just because. Okay, so just put a little bit on, put a washer on this side, and then on the other side I'll put a washer and then the nut. Just an 8mm is what I'm using. Tighten them up. Just like that. Now, time to change the bulb and put the other side on. Okay, so took this housing out. You can see it's a little corroded in here slightly, but in here it's got a little green depth, and the terminals are corroded. So clearly water got in here. So I'm going to spend the next little bit attempting to clean it. Alright, so just about to take that bulb out and put the new bulb in. I've already put the other one on the other side, but let's see what they look like. This is the company. No, it was not sponsored, but I mean, you know, if they want to reach out to me, I have many more sockets bulbs can fit in. Anyhow. Let's get this bulb out and get the new hotness in. So all you do is push down, spin, and it is out. So you see those nubs on either side? Yeah, that's what locks it in. This is what this bulb looks like. I believe it is a projector of sorts. Let's stand back, take a look, turn the car on. Sweet. Woo! She should be able to see everything at nighttime. Like headlights, man. Check that out. I'm a little blind, I'm sorry, I can't see where the camera... Okay, there you are. Yeah, this should be plenty bright. Alright, shut the car off, get these lenses in. Oh, this one's in. Remember that one I've got to fix. When I was grinding away the bolt head, I actually did go through the plastic, so I've kind of MacGyvered something together. Those of you that don't know what MacGyver is, actually no, they rebooted it, didn't they? Well, for those that don't know what MacGyver is, go look up, what is it, 90s? Early 90s? 80s? Late 80s, early 90s, somewhere in there. Alright, let's get this back together. You can see there. What I did was I used a piece of mesh and glued it in place. Gorilla Glue. That's, yeah, I've got to clean all of this up. Put the washer on, the nuts on, and now it's in there. Same with the other side. And now it's just time to put the bulbs in. Glad that this job is over soon. Okay. I'm not putting that plate back over here. I want to be able to reach these. Alright. Now, let's set you guys up and let's go take a look at how bright these actually are through the lenses. And then maybe we'll look at them again tonight. I know I'm kind of jumping the gun. This I still need to put back up. The bumper skin, I disconnected the bottom side, so I know that I still need to do that. But let's see the bulbs. Yeah or no? Ooh. Okay. Wow, yeah, that is going to be bright for reverse bulbs. Well, I'm going to, like I said, put everything back together, put everything back together, put my tools away, and then put her back on the ground and go have dinner. Later tonight, we'll come back out and we'll see what we see. And in the event that you can't see me tonight in the dark, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. And I'm sure you've seen, and you will see, up in this right corner for you, left for me, other links to other episodes of this series. Watch, like, share, comment. What I'm trying to do, at least with this project, with all the projects, but mainly with this one, is to get information out there on these, because I found information, but it was very, you know, sparse. So let's comment down below and get more information out there so we can work on things together. We can accomplish these jobs without going to the dealership and paying $1 million. Or the stealership, as they used to call it back in the day. If you have any questions, down below. If you would like to see something worked on, down below. Let me know. That way I can tailor an episode to you guys instead of just showing you, letting you come along for the ride on what I'm doing to this vehicle. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that button down below. Thanks. Dang, they're bright. Alright, let's check out how bright these reverse bulbs actually are. How bright are the taillights?
Wow, they're bright!
Dude. Wow. Well, I must say these are bright enough. Oh, damn. Showed you the interior lights, or light, that I changed. Now you can actually see inside. Oh, man.